Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja, and in this video we have this question where we need to solve this thing. We are given 2 raised to power 2001, right? And 2 raised to power 1999, 2 raised to power 2000 and 2 raised to power 1998, right? If we see the difference between these two, like if you add 2 here you will get 2001, right? And if you add 2 here you will get 2000, right? So what can I do? First I can write this 2001 as 1999 plus 2, right? Plus this can be written as like this only, okay? And in denominator we can write this 2000 as 1998 plus 2 and plus 2 raised to power 1998, right? Now there is a rule that says a raised to power x plus y can be written as a raised to power x times a raised to power y, right? This is the rule of exponents. So here what will I do? I will write it as 2 raised to power 1999 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 1999, right? Because this quantity, this I broke it as like this, right? A raised to power x plus y can be written as a raised to power x times a raised to power y, right? Okay, so and in the denominator what will I write? 2 raised to power 1998 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 1998, right? Okay, and why did we do that? So we can take common from the top. I will take 1999 common, and inside we are left with 2 square plus 1, right? And from the denominator we will take 2 raised to power 1998 common. Inside the bracket we have 2 square plus 1, right? If you see, this quantity is same, so we will just cancel out these, right? Though you will get 5 and 5 here, but you can like cancel out this as well. So now you are left with 2 raised to power 1999 times 2 raised to power 1998, right? Now you know a raised to power b by a raised to power c. When the base is same, you can subtract the power. It is a raised to power b minus c. So this is 2 raised to power 1999 minus 2 raised to power 1998, which is 2 raised to power 1. And we are done, right? So our answer is, we were given 4 options. So our answer is 2, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.